teaspoon of salt, a dry lemon filled with water, in presence of cardboard circle with 2 holes in a battery and noise. First, take a glass and fill half a glass with water and then add some salt to it. Mix the salt with a spoon and then place the two pencils on the cardboard. Now connect the battery to the pencil and you will see some bubbles.
Water is H2O. H2O separates or decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, that gas only you are seeing is that is being collected into pencils. Okay.
My name is Karen.
Today, I'm going to talk about the electric circuit. Electric circuit is a system that comprises interconnected elements and allows current to flow through them. Electric circuit consists of a battery, switch, bulb, and wires. And an electric current in a circuit flows through a closed wire following the direction established by the addition of elements. Now I will be trying to continue. I'm going to speak about the battery, the power source. Here, electricity and electric flow. Now I give the mic to Portia. The switch is a device that enables the interruption of communication. Nucleic acid is known as acid rain. Happens due to the emission of harmful compounds such as carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, and nitrogen oxide, so on, emitted by vehicles and factories. When these compounds react with the water droplets in the atmosphere, they turn into carbonic acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. These mix to the rain and come out as acid rain. Beyond electric,
Second one to leave the light.
acid rain is because electric flow is harmful for the plants, for animals, infrastructure for gas, buildings, and
But actually what you do, you don't own automobile, you don't use car, you don't use bike, you don't use refrigerator, you don't use air conditioner. What all these are emitting? They are emitting carbon, they are emitting fluorine, right? Then that is why you went in the opposite direction. Yes, good. And what is the next experiment you have?
So this experiment So in this act shows multiple images when each into different angles.
And now show the reflection sheet. Now show that reflection, multiple reflection. Now explain this.
If we hold a plane object, we can see that it forms multiple images when we at different angles.
Each angle gives a different, how many reflections? What is the formula? They have see each angle, that you have angle of
I'm Sashmita. I'm going to talk about double displacement reaction. When two compounds react at exchange, they emit or emit
what do you mean by decomposition there? Simple term. What do you mean by decomposition? A simple term. every time when you single displacement and double displacement, they will not have the single displacement method or double displacement. They say no reaction, I will not react, I will not leave my space. Understood? If and only if the element or the compound, what is that? That is only ferrous sulfate. No, ma'am, iron sulfate and copper sulfate.
But they are trying to show
Yes,
when
yes.
they did this change
What is this actually?
the color of this is shown
But this will not change, no? That will not change.
6A showcase shadow data using puppets and light to create dynamic shadows. The principle is very simple. When light is blocked by an object, it casts a shadow. By moving the puppets in front of a light source, we control the shape and size of the shadows, bringing characters live on screen. Let's stop wasting our time and get into the story. In a magical forest, 6 animals decided to put on a shadow show for their friends. First, Leo the lion roared, and his powerful shadow stretched across the screen. Next, Ella the elephant flapped her ears, making shadow glow huge and menacing. Next, Zara the zebra danced, creating a beautiful striped shadow pattern. Then, Penny the parrot flew her wings, casting a flattering shadow in the long and tall shadow that reached the sky. Together, they created a magical scene showing how shadows can tell amazing stories. We hope you enjoy the performance and see how light and shadow can tell an amazing story. Thank you.
Ozone layer is a blanket of atmosphere that protects all living beings from the UV rays of the sun. Now, Ravi will explain the composition of air. The composition air contains nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20.99%, and 1% of other gases. The oxygen and carbon dioxide are equal, and the oxygen is seen for chemistry, water cycle, ozone layer, transportation, respiration, witness. This is the uses of air. Now we see a lot of plants. These plants grow because of the process photosynthesis. This is a plant that you cannot fly. Let's see how the plant is flying. Camping.
Slowly. Enough.
Now, it is going to take a board inside. As you see, the board is denser than the water. The layer of the water oil.
Why is that both the liquids are invisible? Why you have poured a colored solution and you have the oil on it, right? You have poured oil. Why is that both are invisible? Why is that they both are not mixing up together? Okay, fine. Understood. The oil is invisible. Another thing about density, with respect to density, who is having more density? Renewable sources you are using. How is where is that? If there is no rain,
harvested water.
you are using the harvested rainwater. And what about all those things? Instead Instead of electricity, you use what light are those? What do you mean by future light? Rotation of the ball. Curvilinear, but curvilinear.
When an object is sliding on a surface, it is called sliding motion.
If we start the machine, as you can see, the fan makes it move and it bounces and jumps. We use a battery for the electricity circuit to happen and a simple circuit. The electricity goes in the circuit and we use different types of sketches to make designs. It can be used to make car designs and just for fun you can use it. It's like a toy. Thank you.
Three of you. One more. Sir,
As you can see,
no problem. Suspend it down.
as you can see, this is the left side. And now you can see it's facing the right side.
Not able to see the first one. Can you come closer, slightly closer?
If the hole is made quite wide, each point on the object will be a large bulb.
The rays from the top on the object comes to the lower bottom part of the and the rays from the bottom part goes down.
When a Z rotates, the faster the rocket, the faster it spins. These rotations are then calculated when we discuss the jet speed. Anemometers help us track the speed for weather conditions, which is essential for weather conditions at any such fields. Thank you. My name is Josh. So, first
Explain this function. What is it actually?
Wow!